face in your face.
Right where?
Right from here.
No way, dude.
Yes, sir. It's fucking sketchy though.
Oh, I say.
Look, look. You gotta make it past the rocks under the water.
Moment of truth. Is it cold? It's nice.
Is it nice?
Dude, I don't know. Let me be the judge of this.
All right.
A little chilly.
3, 2, 1, go! Ooh. Let's go!
Yes, sir.
Whoa.
Yeah, baby.
Give her!
Let's put a perspective there. That's the ground. That's the boys.
I was gonna go up, but there's a wasp nest.
Oh shit! Get down from there, boys. As Mark Tay would say, the big cojones.
Big cojones. Big
You
cojones.
leave first. Oh, it's sketchy.
Wait, she ain't that bad. Beautiful view up here though.
He's a shoulder chicken.
It's actually sick. Can I touch it?
Yeah? You wanna pick one up?
Man, this is so soft. Can it go like here, like that?
It might hurt a bit.
Whoa. Man, it's almost like having an eagle or something.
I know, it's weird.
You wanna pet her? Yeah. Your little pet.
Whoa.
He's a handsome little man.
Come on, go.
Come on, boy. Come on.
It's a girl.
Come on, girl. Perfecto.
Perfecto. How the fuck do you do this?
I pushed it in the flame.
That's a bit of flavor. That's what that is.
What? Yep.
Yummy. What do you think,
My
Kayla?
tummy.
Foot! And a run! And a 2! And a 3! Oh! Ooh! It went that way! Give me a swing on that. Hold me there. Hold me there. Oh, let's go! Ooh, dinger. What did you catch?
A fucking rock at the ground.
Is she a big one?
This bottom. No.
Oh, she's big. Don't drop her. Don't drop her. Oh, let's go. Let's go.
No, I got a bigger one.
You got a bigger one, Tom?
I lost it. I lost it.
Oh, she broke free?
No.
Is it good? Oh, fuck it.
Oh, that is a massive fucking no. No, he just came up.
What the fuck is this shit?
What is it? Oh, what the?
I want to
see it,
be
Kaylee?
there, yeah. I want to go there.
Let me try this.
Go to the moon?
Yeah.